Task number 5, useful word lists, is part of the web enumeration module, which is a prerequisite for upload vulnerabilities module. If this page will load, so I can show you, which is a prerequisite for upload vulnerabilities, which is also a module inside the complete beginner path. This is the path that we are following. So task number 5, useful word lists. Useful word lists. There are many useful word lists to use for each mode. These may or may not come in handy later on during the virtual machine portion of the room. I'll go over some of the ones that are on Kali by default, as well as short section of seclist. Kali Linux default lists. Below you will find a useful list of word lists that are installed on Kali Linux by default. This is as of the latest version of the time of writing, which is 2020. Jesus Christ. Anything with a wildcard indicates there's more than one list that matches. Keep in mind, a lot of these can be interchanged between modes. For example, dir mode word list, such as one from dirbuster directory, will contain words like admin index, about events, and so on. A lot of these could be subdomains as well. Give them a try with the different modes. And here we have some of the default word lists, locations, and names in Kali. Let's jump inside there. Users, share, and we go to word lists. So you can see here we have a lot of default word lists on Kali. One that, I don't know, I just want to mention it to be like a special mention, is rocku.txt. If you have a fresh installed of Kali Linux, rocku.txt will be a gzip archive, right? And you just, you have to use the following command. Actually, you can see it, gunzip, right? Gunzip rocku.txt.gz. And you will have the rocku.txt file after that, right? And here are also we have the seclist, which is a really cool one. And these are basically the most used word lists. These are the lists that you use in the exams from INE, for instance, or in exam for OSCP. Basically are the most used ones. Either you have an exam to take or you want to participate in a CTF event or whatever. These are the go-to word lists. And non-standard word lists also we have. I just show you the seclist folder. In addition to the above, Daniel Misler has created an amazing GitHub repo called seclists. Here you have the exact location of that. It compiles many different lists used for many different things. The best part is it's in apt. So you can use sudo apt install seclists and get the entire repo. We won't dive into any other lists as there are many. However, between what's installed by default on Kali and the seclist repo, I doubt you will need anything else. Exactly. So answer the questions below. No questions. Thanks.